the active FTP, file transfer protocol. So we do have a client that wants to get or put a file on a server. The client is this address, and the server is a file FTP server. Does have files and has this address. If I use active FTP, then the client will connect to the server and use connect to port 21, which is called the control channel. It does this with a higher port number, for example, like this, and it's trying to connect to the server on that port. It's using a SYN-ACK sequence to connect with FTP control. Then if the client wants to transfer data for active FTP, it's kind of strange because it starts from port 20 of the server, and the server starts a connection, a new connection to the client, like 1016, which is the FTP data connection. We do not like active FTP very much because on the client it's kind of strange that there is a new connection coming in from port 20, and you do have to allow this in your firewall that at one moment there's suddenly is a connection coming in from port 20, and you do have to allow this. So that's why active FTP is not used that much. I will first create a little test file to test the FTP upload, to test the data connection from FTP, and then I will start the FTP connection itself. In fact, the first connection that I will make is the FTP control channel to ask for a directory listing, to ask for files. From the moment that I upload a file, then there will be another data connection that FTP will use. So this is only control connection. From the moment I do a put test.text, it will upload, it will open a new connection and upload the other file. You'll see it's active FTP, so it makes a connection to port 21, SYN-ACK, all to 21. The commands, for example, here you can see the password here. It's a clear text. Then you'll see some commands like list. I do a listing. From the moment that I do put, then it will open a new connection. The new connection will start from port 20 on the server and just start a SYN to my machine. So it's coming from the server, this connection. That's an active FTP connection. You see the FTP data, that's the actual data of the file that is transferring. And then it ends with, it's a polite end, I guess, with the FIN-ACK, and ACK to stop the FTP, and it's doing a quit. So that's for active FTP.